Today we are here with another interesting topics, that is 5 most effective exercises for weight loss. Increasing weight and obesity is one of the leading health issues in present era and among the leading causes of deaths worldwide. These exercises help to manage weight effectively by combining cardiovascular activity to burn calories and strength training to build muscle and boost metabolism. The top 5 exercises for this approach are a mix of intense and low-impact activities. Before diving into the step-by-step guide about these exercises, please do not forget to subscribe Pure Health Insights. I hope you have done that. So, let's move to learn the 5 most effective weight management exercises. Number 1. High-intensity interval training, also called HIIT. HIIT is a type of workout that alternates between short, intense bursts of exercise and brief recovery periods. These exercises include but not limited to sprinting on a bike, burpees, jump squats, and mountain climbers. How it works. It's highly efficient for burning calories and increasing your metabolic rate, which means your body continues to burn fat for hours after the workout is over. HIIT has also been shown to be especially effective at reducing belly fat. Number 2. Strength training, also known as resistance training. Strength training helps build and maintain muscle mass. These includes but not limited to exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups, using free weights such as dumbbells or kettlebells, or working with resistance bands. How it works. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. Building more muscle increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning your body burns more calories throughout the day. Strength training also improves overall body composition, leading to a leaner physique. Number 3. Walking. Walking is a simple, accessible, and low-impact exercise suitable for nearly all fitness levels. How it works. Brisk walking burns a significant number of calories over time and is easy to integrate into a daily routine, promoting consistency. It's a great option for beginners and is gentle on the joints, reducing the risk of injury. How to incorporate it in your life. Aim for 30 to 60 minutes of walking most days of the week. To increase intensity and calorie burn, try power walking, walking on an incline, or hiking on uneven terrain. Number 4. Swimming. Swimming is a full-body, low-impact exercise that's excellent for overall cardiovascular health and weight management. How it works. The resistance of the water provides a challenging workout that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously while being easy on the joints, making it ideal for those with joint pain or injuries. By incorporating different strokes, such as freestyle, breaststroke, and butterfly, you can engage different muscles. You can also vary your pace with interval training to increase the calorie burn. Number 5. Cycling. Whether outdoors or on a stationary bike, cycling is an effective low-impact workout for burning calories and improving heart health. How it works. It can be adjusted for intensity and is easy on the joints, making it a sustainable activity for long-term weight management. Aim for longer duration at a moderate intensity. For a more intense workout, try a high-energy spin class or cycle on a route with hills to build strength and increase calorie burn. Friends, this video is for educational purposes only. Make sure to check with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you've got any health conditions. Stay safe and healthy.